Okay, we got here is new firmware version 1.42. Let me read what it says here. Fix bugs where display turns green and camera reboots when paired with multiple devices. Fix multiple command and control bugs when camera is paired with Volta. General bugs and fixes. Well, basically, that's not going to fix the issue we are having with Livestream. So what we're going to need to do here is take your SDXC card out, because I don't do the updates via a smartphone. I put everything in here. I right click, I give a folder, I name it update, and I double click on this. Then I go over here and I highlight all these. I bring it into the update file. And this is basically almost finished. By the time you hit update and your data is being used and circling through all that, I am now taking this out, then waiting for that to continue to download the firmware. So my card is in. I am now automatically updating while that is still circulating for an update. Now, I want to know if this is going to fix the live. And I don't think it is going to fix the live, because in here, you're going to have to open up your application in the store and you're going to search for GoPro. And GoPro is going to have an update to the app. And that's not going to have an update. We're almost finished. The update's complete. GoPro right here, quick video. Any updates on here, version history, and all 6 days ago. 10.16.1 is the last update 6 days ago. So let's open up the application, open up the GoPro, swipe down, swipe left, go to connection, turn my connection on, and now we are ready to go about and use my actual application and try a live stream. This shouldn't take too long to do. It's going to connect. One day they'll fix this speed in connecting your GoPro. Waiting and waiting and waiting. So I know I'm going to have a problem here connecting. Oh, there we are. Finally. Man, that just takes forever. Set up the live stream, YouTube. Wait for that check mark, man. Check mark comes up. Connecting, unlisted, live, not fixed. I know it's not fixed. I'm still circulating for my home router. Finally, it's connected my home router. In a minute's time, we should be 100% live streaming with the picture here. Let's go view it. There's my picture. It's not going to come on. I know it has nothing to do with the update. It has to do with the application of the smartphone that GoPro has taken away. In 42 seconds, this would go live. And we are about 5, 4, 3, 2. We're not even live streaming. I could be here all day long. Nothing's broken, nothing's fixed. Good luck with the firmware. That's all I can say. I don't see anything that's being fixed in here at all. Streaming is still broken. And there you go. Have a great day, everybody.